Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm gonna show you 3 apps that pay you via PayPal for 2019. So I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. So guys, watch this video till the end. So let's get started. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing and it's totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. Guys, the people gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, let's go over and jump into this video. So guys, the first website you are gonna want to check out is called observer.com. So you can visit by observernow.com. Now this is an app guys, so it's fairly new app that pay you to mystery shop. Okay, now the Observer app is available for iOS and the Android both, and it's 100% free to download and install. But once you install the app, your guys gonna sign up with your PayPal account in order to get paid. Now at the moment Observer is only available in the United States, but stay tuned because I'll be share with you some more apps right on this video that works worldwide. Okay, so now once you log into this, you are going to see a list nearby mystery shop which they call opportunities. So you can see how much each opportunities is worth, and you can see how much they are going to pay before you go to that location. Okay, so here's what you do. Most shops require you to answer a few questions and take a few pictures of different product and things like that. So this also verifies that you were actually at the location. So after you complete the opportunity, you will have to about 2 hours to submit the job, and then after this Observer team will verify the work and prove it within 24 hours. And then therefore you guys can move on to the payments. So how much will you can make guys with this? Well, most shops are gonna pay you anywhere from $5 all the way up to $15, and this only takes about each task it could be take about 10 to 15 minutes of your time, so it's really not that bad. So but here what I like the best guys, and it's that after they approve your opportunity, the funds are sent directly to your PayPal account immediately. Okay, so after you do the tasks, everything complete, you guys can have the those PayPal funds sent right away to your PayPal account. So guys, that's what I like about this. So go over to observer.com and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can go and check it out more about this app. Okay, so let's talk about our next app. The next app is cashmagneteapp.com. Now you guys can make money with your smartphone doing absolutely nothing, and I'm serious. You guys, if you give you all the details here, and if you are connected to the internet on your phone or any devices in your house, your guys are going to make money with this app. Now there's no survey, no games. You guys do not have to complete any tasks whatsoever, and you are still going to make money with this. Now as long as your phone is connected to the internet, you guys can earn cash. Alright, so now how much you can really make with this app guys? So just to let you guys know, this is an all time, it's look like it's only available on Android right now, but you guys can access the website by going to the cashmagneteapp.com. Okay, so you guys can just click on here, it's Google Play button, and that will take you to this page. So you guys can install the app from here. Now how much you are going to get paid? Well, they're going to pay you $15 per month. While I have this just going over to my head right now, $15 per month for each device you install. So if you, let's say about you have 4 devices and you install the app on all of 4 devices, you can probably make somewhere around $60 to $70 per month. But one thing guys, I like about this app that you can withdraw to PayPal even if you made like $1. So there is no quota or maximum or minimum amount that you have to reach to get to withdraw your money. Even if you make a little buck, you can go ahead and send it to your PayPal account right away. So there you go guys, go ahead and check it out. It's cashmagnetapp.com and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go and check it out from there. Now guys, the next one is Sweatcoin. So you can go directly by sweatcoin.in. Now if you ever wanted to get paid to walk, well, you can do that with Sweatcoin. So even if you are walking to a store or something like that, you can generate cash with this app. So each time you make a step, you are going to earn and what they call sweat coins. Okay. Now for this app, the way you guys are going to paid, you're gonna have to have at least 3,650 sweat coins saved up inside of your account, and then therefore after that the points you guys will able to do $50 PayPal withdrawal. So you guys get walking and you can earn some money with Sweat app. Here you can see they have written that walk and earn. We track and verify your outdoor step using the phone accelerometer and GPS location, and those steps get converted into our currency Sweat coins. So guys, here it is. I leave a link below in the description of this video. So go ahead and check it out. You can find out all the details here. So guys, these are the 3 apps I'm gonna talk about today. So if you're interested on this, so go ahead and check it out and start making money. But guys, at last you are still trading time for money for doing this. So if you want to have a better use of your time, and this is what I am doing, and this is totally worldwide. So if you are interested on this, click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about the system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that providing you tremendous amount of value. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button guys. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a great day.